Excuse the mess, but art is messy. And look at this. It is, well, can you tell what it is? Can you tell what it is? It's a lot of wires. That's one thing. So it is Spitfire. It's fully operational. As you can probably tell by all the lights, the wires, there is a lot of moving parts on this. And yeah, there's a lot of things that could go wrong whilst I'm making it, and have gone wrong, but no, it's looking good. You can probably see all the motors, everything's going to move. It's quite a thing. It's quite a thing. Very detailed as well. There's the cockpit. You probably just about make out the controls if it zooms in. Yeah. So rather than show you making it, me making it, what I'll do is I'll just show you a few pictures as it progresses. But this has already been a lot of hours of work. There's even stuff you're probably not even noticing yet, like the underside, lots of flaps, wheels. You can just about make those. So yeah, very detailed, very cool model. So I just want to take a second to show you this, because I want to just show how intricate this Spitfire is. You see this? It looks very easy, isn't it? It's like saying just slip that in there. Yeah, I can do that. That's how tiny it is. Look how big my my hands are so absolutely ginormous. And there's loads like that where it just says just do this, do that, blah 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 blah. All the bits are incredibly tiny. Yeah. Yeah, do you know what? I'll come back and I'll show you how I get on with that. Oh my days. So tiny. I cannot emphasize how difficult that was. Remember, that's my finger. So slotting that onto that, into there, and getting it sprung over there and screwed in. Unbelievable. Right, just to show you how they say to do it, they say do that and then go on there. If you're doing this yourself, don't. Do that bit first and then pop that bit in there, because to try and extend that, get the screw in and tighten it all up, with it all being that small, is nigh on impossible. So I attached that to there and then pop those into there, and that's how I did that bit. Please, if you're doing it yourself, I wasted about 20 minutes of my life trying to do it that way. That's the way to do it. I swear whoever did this had the hands of a little pixie. Looks simple, doesn't it? Just thread that through those two there. Look how tiny it is though. I did it, but my God. Unbelievable. I see what's happening here then. So you see this bit moves. That will twist down and we'll make that flap open. And obviously we're going to be able to shut it again. It's yes. It's small little things. Very small, because this is just a small detail on the wing, and it's going to open and close. Unbelievable. Right, let's finish it off, because it's going to include this tiny spring, which, oh God, what a penny. I got such big hands. That's the spring on over that peg, and then pulled and over that peg. Oh my days. This is testing me to the limits. There you go, there's another bit done. And I thought I'd hopefully save some grief. So that bit there, where has it gone? there, that bit there, the flappy flap. Yeah, those springs, be very careful. Do it how I did. Look how tiny it is. How did I do that? Right, let's move on. There's the wing on. Didn't look cool. And that little bit I did, see it's, ooh, focus, see it's closed up. If I let the flap drop, you can see it's gone up. And then as the flap goes back up, it closes. How cool is that? So very detailed. So ooh, flap over here. You know what the next bit is? That side. But it's coming along nicely. Coming along nicely. And I thought I'd show you the Spitfire because the ECTO-1 is still in progress. But look underneath. There you go. I don't know if I've ever shown you my DeLorean. God, I'm such a nerd, aren't I? Right. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you enjoy future episodes of Back Bedroom Art. Look at all the machine guns. They all light up. Get the sound effects and everything. Yes. Yes. Hopefully I'll get back to the ECTO-1 very soon. It's just basically waiting for that part that I broke. But never mind. I'll soon get it back up and running again. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you in another video real soon. Look after yourself and those that you love. Cheerio, everyone. Bye.